But what drives you, what excites you the most in serving our country, Mr. President?
I'm here to serve. I'm not here for myself. I'm not here for, you know, but I really think that there are many things that I could do. And I say, you're not yet doing it. Di mo pa natatapos. Go, 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 go. Keep doing it. Keep working, keep working, keep working. Kulang pa, kulang pa, kulang pa. At saka, ang katotohanan dyan, lagi naman magiging kulang yan eh. Kahit ilang taon mo na trinabaho yan, kulang pa rin yan. Kasi hindi nagtatapos yung trabaho. But never mind, you just have to keep going. You have to keep going until you drop.
Now po, na-question po namin your life as a president. How about in a different perspective? Do you once wish to live in a different family background? Or naisip niyo po ba na, if I'm not living as in a political background, what kind of life you would like to be po?
Oh my gosh. Would I want to have been born into another family? Absolutely not. I still consider, para ang tingin ko sa sarili ko, ako na ang pinakaswerteng tao na kilala ko. Wala na akong kilala na tao na maswerte pa sa akin. Dahil ganyan ang naging ama ko, ganyan yung mother ko, dyan ang naging experience ko. Kasi lahat naman ng experience, kahit hindi ka nag-enjoy, may natututunan ka eh. Di ba?
Yes.
It was Nietzsche, di ba? What doesn't kill you?
Pero sir, say if you weren't born po as
If I wasn't born in my family, you know what? I'll tell you something that when I was young, I really did not want to enter politics. At saka medyo nadidismaya na sa akin yung magulang ko kasi akong lalaki, isa akong lalaki. Pero ayaw na ayaw ko. Sabi ko, nakita ko yung magulang ko, ang hirap ng buhay nila, ang daming sakripisyo. Sabi ko, ayoko na yung matahimik lang na buhay. That's why I went to business school. Pero hindi ganyan ng buhay, hindi mo ma-predict eh. Kaya dito ako napunta. Not that I regret anything of it. I do not regret one day.